Hello dear friends, is the screen backlight not working in your Realme phone? Before taking the device to service center, you should run a test to make sure that the screen backlight needs repair. For this, you will have to use a USSD secret code and run the test. Tap on phone icon. Tap on dialer icon. Type star *899#. You have entered the engineer mode. Tap on manual test. Go to menus and select others. Tap on a screen backlight test. You can see open backlight and close backlight frequently on the screen. See if the backlight is dimming and brightening. If the phone does not change the backlight, go to the service center. Thanks friends for watching the video.